Hey guys, welcome back to another spec geek video. My name is Tommy and this is my 2006 Mazda Miata. Today I'm installing some pretty exciting part and I want to show you guys what I got. This is a NC1 2006 to 2008 Mazda appearance package spoiler. Is an OEM factory part. This part actually fits onto any NC on the soft top model. It will not fit on the power retractable hardtop model because the trunk shape is a little bit different. This is also came in marble white color, which is excellent because I don't have to worry about paint matching or anything like that. And hey Vincent, if you're watching this, shout out to you for giving this out for free. Let's get right into it. I've always thought that the rear end of my car looks a little naked without a spoiler or a wing. And I think this spoiler that I got from Vincent will really complement the rear end of my car and it's going to look great. So the way I'm going to be installing the spoiler onto my car is to use 3M double-sided tape. But first I have to remove the old tape before I can apply the new tape. And the other thing that I went ahead and did is I clipped off the center clip. There was a clip right in the middle that I kind of shaved off because I don't want to drill any holes onto my car, and I don't prefer drilling holes onto any panels of my car. I managed to get all the tapes off. Took a while, but now it's ready for new tape. What do you guys think? I personally really like it. I think that it adds some definition to the trunk area, so it's not as naked compared to before without a spoiler. And obviously with the NC1 spoiler, it matches really well with the rear lip. It was pretty easy to install with double-sided tape. The longest part that took me was actually removing the old tape. But after that, putting on the new tape and installing onto the car was relatively straightforward. The 3M double-sided tape actually works really well too. I don't think the spoiler is going anywhere. It's very secure onto the trunk. If I'm like pressing on it, it's actually like buckling the trunk, and I try to pull on it, it's not going anywhere. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comment below. Make sure to subscribe and follow us for more spec geek adventure. Bye!